Hi guys! So today I thought I would teach you how to make cloud dough. It's a really simple Play-Doh recipe that you can make at home. So what you need is some hair conditioner and cornstarch. I'm using Suave. It was very cheap, that's why I got it. And just Walmart brand cornstarch. Okay. And I'm also wanting to add a little bit of color to my dough, so I'm using food dye. And I don't know if this will work, I've never done it before, but I'm using some sprinkles, some cookie sprinkles to pour in there also to add a little sparkle. Okay, so what you're gonna do is I'm starting with 1/2 cup of the conditioner. And 1/2 cup of the cornstarch. Okay. So then you're going to, and this is very, very messy, you're going to take your hands and start mixing them together. Okay, it's going to take a little while to mix, and there's actually going to be quite a bit more conditioner than cornstarch at the beginning. So as you go, which you might need some help with this, see my hands are getting very, very messy already. You might need a little bit of help to pour in extra cornstarch. Oh, it's starting to get a little bit harder, more like Play-Doh. Okay, now I'm gonna add in just a little bit of red food coloring. Just a couple drops, maybe 3 or 4, and see how that goes. Mix it in. Starting to change colors. It's not sticking to my hands quite as bad now, which is a good sign. Still trying to pick up some of this cornstarch that's at the bottom of the bowl too. It smells really nice, by the way. I suggest buying scented conditioner. It makes it smell really fun. Ooh, it's turning out awesome. Again, very, very messy. All right, now I'm gonna add in, I guess, some of the sprinkles. We'll see how that goes. I've never done that before, so I just thought it'd be fun. I was looking at my cabinet, getting the ingredients all together, and I saw that, and I was like, oh, that might be a fun thing to add. Wish I had some sparkles, some glitter. All right, let's mix these in. You can add as much of the sprinkles as you want, as much or as little. All right, it's still a little sticky. I'm gonna see if I can't get the last bits of cornstarch off the side of the bowl. All right, and there is my cloud dough. So once I go wash my hands, hopefully I can play with it a little more.